When it comes to building a home from a shipping container, there are many things you must consider. You've probably already searched various websites for guidance, however many of the other online guides miss out several very important steps. That's why you need to follow a guide you can trust. You can find a link to such guide in the description. Professional container builder for 14 years will reveal his secrets and will teach you how to build a beautifully designed home using shipping containers. What costly mistakes you must avoid so your project doesn't collapse like a house of cards. The fastest way to get your project complete and livable. Where money can be saved and where you need to invest those savings for the best results. The cheapest way to build a container home from start to finish. And now, let's talk about the benefits of shipping container homes. There are really many benefits to container homes. About 5 years ago, the interest in shipping container homes skyrocketed. This is because people are realizing the huge benefits to this method. Affordability. Building a container home is extremely cost-effective. If you've already looked into the cost of new or second-hand container, you obviously know what I mean. Design. You can easily modify shipping container to create a modern, sleek look. Strength. Shipping containers are built extremely strong with few weak points, making them a great starting point. Time. Because the majority of the home is already built, you can have a complete home built in record time. Unique. Even though container homes are on the rise, they are still unique and will stand out from every other home. Green. Recycling an old shipping container and using it to build with is a great green idea, and many others will see the important example you're setting. You can find a link to the best shipping container home guide in the description.